In this video, you'll learn how to copy and paste clip attributes in DaVinci Resolve so you can quickly reuse effects and settings without having to redo everything from scratch each time. Let's start on the edit page. Make sure you're in the timeline where your clips are already placed. Look for the clip that already has the look, movement, or effects you're happy with. This is the clip whose attributes you want to copy. It might have color correction, a zoom or pan, cropping, maybe some stabilization or audio adjustments you've already dialed in. Click once on that clip to select it now. Right-click on the selected clip and choose copy. You won't see anything change in the timeline, but this action stores all of that clip's attributes in memory, ready to be pasted onto other clips. Think of it as copying the recipe of changes you made to that clip. Next, select the clip or clips you want to apply those attributes to. These are your target clips. You can choose a single clip by clicking on it, or multiple clips by holding down your modifier key, or by dragging a box around them, depending on how you like to work. Take a moment here to be sure you've only selected the clips you actually want to change, because everything selected will receive the pasted attributes. Once your target clip or clips are highlighted, right-click on any one of them and choose Paste Attributes. Instead of immediately pasting, DaVinci Resolve will show you a dialog box. This is where the real control happens. In this Paste Attributes window, you'll see a list of different categories you can choose from. These might include options like transform, cropping, composite, speed, stabilization, color correction, audio volume, and any plugins you may have applied. Each checkbox represents a type of adjustment from your original clip. Go through this list carefully and tick only the attributes you actually want to transfer. For example, if you love the color grade and the zoom you used, but you don't want to copy the audio volume changes, you would select transform and color correction and leave audio volume unchecked. If the original clip had speed changes like slow motion and you don't want that on the new clips, make sure speed is not selected. This selective control helps you avoid accidentally messing up timing or audio levels while still reusing the creative work you've already done. If you used any effects from plugins, you'll also see those in the list. Only enable them here if you want those exact plugin settings applied to your other clips. When you're happy with your choices, click Apply. Resolve will take the attributes you selected and transfer them from the original clip to all of the clips you targeted. Depending on what you chose, you might immediately see changes in framing, cropping, color, stabilization, or audio levels. After applying, play through your timeline and double check the updated clips. Make sure the composition looks right, the speed feels correct, and the color and audio fit the rest of your project. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always undo and repeat the process, adjusting which attributes you paste until you get exactly what you need. And that's all there is to it.